There are reasons Exclusive Driving Academy is named one of the best driving schools in Oxford. We only use top-rated driving instructors, and we have over 100 5-star reviews. With an 82% first-time pass rate, learning with us makes you over a third more likely to pass than the national average. And not only that, many of our learners need 17 hours fewer driving lessons, saving them hundreds of pounds. Don't just take our word for it.
My experience with Exclusive Driving Academy was incredible. I did not expect to pass first time, and I feel like a confident driver now.
My driving instructor really helped me improve my driving, and that led me to get my license in far fewer lessons than I thought were possible.
I've had previous experiences trying to learn to drive, made me lose my confidence, but my instructor was really knowledgeable, really kind, patient, really a great experience.
The patience the instructor had, I believe, was very helpful with keeping me calm through the process.
Throughout the whole process, my instructor always introduced something new, self-tailored to my needs, to be able to be on the road safely.
Whether you're a complete beginner, planning to change driving schools, convert your international license, or just looking for a couple of tips to help you pass, we have an offer for you. With a 100% money-back satisfaction guarantee on your first lesson, why not try Exclusive Driving Academy today? Call us or visit our website to book your lesson now.